Hi, I'm Chef Joel of Enjoy Eating House and Bar, and now this is the last of the 4 dishes that I'll be showing you today. I'm very happy to be working with Kranji Countryside Association to promote Singapore produce. The dish we'll be doing will be Claypot Red Snapper with local mushrooms and soft marinated egg. We have a very nice snapper fillet here. This is different from the snapper you get at the wet market. So all Singapore fishes are farmed in the sea, therefore the flesh of these fishes will definitely be firmer and there's always a very nice sea smell. The next ingredient will be this marinated soft egg yolk. This is actually being sold, if I'm not wrong, at 7-Eleven. These are soft boiled Japanese style ramen eggs that are already marinated in the sauce. Today we'll be using the egg and the sauce itself to cook this dish. We have very nice local abalone mushroom, fresh wood ear mushrooms, some local choy sum, and a bit of ginger. Now we'll start preparing the ingredients. For mushroom, we just use our hands and peel it. Just half all the mushrooms is fine. If it's too thick, just peel it another layer. For the wood ear mushrooms, remember to trim off the hard edges over here, or you can just peel it off and we'll remove it. We have some sliced choy sum, some sliced ginger. Now for this egg, I will keep the marinated liquid. Next, I'll be slicing the fish. I'll slice it into thick chunks. As you're slicing the fish, make sure to touch around to see whether there are any bones. I would slice an angle to remove the bones. Slice into this kind of thickness, not too thick, not too thin. I'll marinate the fish a little bit first. Some white pepper powder, a bit of sesame oil, a little bit of salt, and give it a good mix. Once the clay pot is hot, we add a little bit of oil, and you can put the ginger at the bottom. Once the ginger is fragrant, we can add in all the abalone mushroom and the wood ear mushroom. We'll layer the fish right on top. We don't have to add any water and just cover it. Remember to turn the heat down to medium-low. This is the marinating juice that we got from the egg. I will have to add a little bit of sizzling in to adjust it a bit. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix the sauce properly together. After cooking it inside for about 5 minutes, it's almost done and we can add the next step. Look at how beautiful the fish is. Add some of the vegetables and the sauce we made just now. Let this sit for about another 2 more minutes and it's done. All these flavours are being absorbed by the ingredients inside. This will be a very, very tasty and wonderful dish, best with white rice. Once you see a lot of smoke coming out, it's time. Turn it off. Finally, the soft marinated egg that we got just now. And here you have it, a Claypot Red Snapper with local mushrooms, topped with a marinated soft boiled egg.